Welcome. In this video I will show you how to perform a full factory reset operation on your Philips PFS6939 TV. To reset all the settings on your TV as well as the channels list and your apps preferences, you're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your home screen to open the settings list, or you can also press the gear button on your remote control and select all settings in quick settings menu. Then we're gonna have to scroll down to the general settings option, and in general settings we're gonna have to scroll down to factory to reinstall TV. Now one important notice: the factory settings will only reset your the settings on your device and will not touch your device's your channels list or basically anything besides your settings, not even your Wi-Fi settings, so your TV will stay connected to the Wi-Fi after performing factory settings reset. So if you want to erase your device fully, go with Reinstall TV and then enter the code on your in this field. To enter this code, we're gonna have to press the digits button on the remote control, which is located right beneath the TV button, which will enable the keypad on our remote. And here we're gonna have to enter the code that we set for our TV, and then we're gonna have to disable the keypad and select yes to confirm, and then wait until the factory reset operation is finished. Now do not unplug your TV from the power cable and just wait for the factory reset operation to be completed. And once you see the language selection on your device's screen, that means that the factory reset operation is finished. Usually it takes about a minute for it to be performed, and yeah, at this point that's it. Now you're gonna have to set up your TV once again to start using it again, and at this point that's the end of the video. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.